Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for hanging in there and watching the last video. Today I am going to show you how I did an ACV rinse on my hair. And by ACV, I mean apple cider vinegar. So stay tuned, keep watching, and hope you guys like it. So now we are going to go over equipment. You'll need blankets and towels, an inflatable sink, a smaller towel, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and baking soda. And don't forget pillows. And then lastly, you'll need an extra set of hands. Hey Monet. So now we are going to get on to the detox. So originally I was planning to do a voiceover for the entire video, but since Monet did such a great job of going over the steps, we're just gonna keep it on there. And also you get a little glimpse of the life of us. So just so you guys know, this is not a tutorial. This is just a step-by-step on how we did my detox rinse. All right, here we go.
First, she soaks her hair in the water. Next, we add lemon juice.
Oh yeah.
100% lemon juice. You can get this from anywhere. And you just pour some in the water. Make sure not to get any in her eyes, because that will be not cool.
Yes.
After we mix the lemon juice in,
Water not too hot for you.
we will do apple cider vinegar. It's very stinky.
Give it a good shake. Shake that. There you go. Ooh, 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 ooh.
And we're gonna pour some of this in. Pour a lot.
Almost half.
And we're gonna pour a lot. Almost half.
Ooh, that sounds like a lot. That's good.
All right. And that's gonna be enough.
It dripped on my face.
Oh, so sorry. I tried to put my hand like that.
You okay? You okay?
And we're gonna mix it up. Now I see what the water looks like. It's not any color yet.
Okay.
Even with the apple cider vinegar.
Cool.
Last of all, Arm & Hammer.
We gonna get that
I'm in
sizzle
love
sizzle.
with the cocoa.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Got it? Whoa.
Yeah, that's that fierce
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
She said, whoa.
Wasn't expecting that.
So that's just a little silly conversation that we had while doing the process. But now the next step is just going to be me sitting there for about 15 to 20 minutes and letting my hair soak. So after the 15 to 20 minutes soak, Monet is here to drain the water off of my hair. And then we are going to use a towel to just wrap it up with. And then I am going to go rinse my hair off. And here we go. Freshly rinsed hair. Okay, so after the first rinse, I'm going to do the complete detox again for a second time. The reason I chose to do this detox twice is because it helps remove any of the extra dirt that wasn't removed the first time. So stay tuned and we're going to do these steps all over again. with the 2 detoxes. I have rinsed my hair out, washed it with some good shampoo just to make sure I get all that vinegar smell out of my hair, and I am all done. It is now dry, and I did put a little bit of coconut oil on it just so that way it's not completely dry, but here we go. Alright everybody, so let me know what you think. Like, comment, share. Yeah, stay tuned for the next video. See y'all later. Bye.